Dr. Sheep here. We live in a society. And society has rules. Now, whether you choose to adopt those rules and live by those rules, that's up to you. Personally, I'm not a big fan of those rules. I kind of do whatever I want. You know, a lot of those rules are, don't make YouTube videos. Oops. Be normal, whatever the hell normal is. Oops. Well, that burned out a lot quicker than I thought it would. Don't try to roast hot dogs over a pro strobe. That did not, those usually last way longer than that. Another rule is don't eat said roasted hot dog over said roasted flame. But that's a lot of heavy metals and I don't want to deal with that. And God, don't make a freaking firework video when it's 100 degrees outside. But here we are, doing that, breathing in toxic fumes. We're gonna have a great time today. Let's just roll the intro. Hey there, YouTubers! So this video, originally, was supposed to be about me building a box to hold my sander. I was supposed to sit here for a little while I roast this wiener. But I didn't last for very long. Oh my God, everything hurts. Gotta sit down. Ugh. I didn't last very long. So here I am. We're doing stupid things today, like modifying fireworks, standing really close to fireworks, and so on and so forth. But we're doing this out of education because I want to teach you what happens if you stand too close. Apparently get covered in soot. I really want to eat this. The heavy metal poisoning and cancer is a real serious risk. Let's just go to the first firework, I guess. These aren't sunglasses, by the way, these are torch goggles. I was able to stare at this and not destroy my retinas. Oh, it's warm. So this first part here, where we're gonna launch this artillery shell. Now, this is what they normally look like. But I went and modified this one. Now, why did I do that? Well, I want to know what this does to your hand if you put your hand over the tube. And so, but I wanted to see just the kinetic energy alone. I don't want to see what the star does. We will test that, don't worry. But I want to see the inertial side effect first. But of course, we need to do a control, so I just need to shoot one of these off with the star still in it. So, we're gonna do that. Run away, run away! Holy crap! It's raining ash. That was, that was much louder and more powerful than I was expecting. Well, I guess I'm gonna get that 30 some odd dollars back that I spent on it. Jesus Christ. All right, time to put your wiener in the way. Somehow. So originally I had this plan where I was gonna have the wiener like precariously perched and held in place, but I don't have the resources for that today, so we're just gonna set the wiener on there and light it. I hope this goes well. Camera, this may be the last time I see you. Wiener launch! My butt's in the way, oh well. Oh my God! Where'd the wiener go? Where did the wiener go? Ow! Oh, there's your problem. Holy crap. It just obliterates your wiener. That's not quite what I was expecting, to be honest. An obliterated wiener. Well, do I really want to test it with the star now? I have an idea. So I got us a new wiener. Wow, there's chunks of wiener everywhere. I got us a new one. And I was gonna load it in, do the same thing I did last time. But then I had a thought. That's stupid. Well, it's not stupid, it's just I don't want to do it. So, oh boy. I'm gonna set this down in here on its side. Because I don't need to test the kinetic energy. I do have the star saved for later. And I will show that off next. But I'm gonna take the wiener on the stick, shove it in here, and we're gonna see what the heck happens. I'm gonna run really far. This is gonna be really loud. I hope I don't blow like steam and stuff. Steam, sparks, whatever. Oh, I was not expecting that. Oh, horror. Wow. We okay, camera? We okay? Looks all right. I didn't think it'd blow up the cinder block. Oh, there's the wiener. Pissed the birds off to no end. There you go. There was a stick all the way through this. It's gone now. I'll need a new stick, that's fine. I don't know what to do. Now I gotta find a new cinder block. I didn't think it'd blow it up. Jesus Christ. Kids, don't do this. This is a stupid idea. No one, good thing I ran. Oh my God. So this is just the star. No wiener this time. This is just for the heck of it. I've pretty much done all the fireworks safety. Now we're just doing stupid stuff. Whew. Okay. Well, that was tame. Next is a crackling ball without the ball. Let me go grab it. This is a crackling ball. It has a ball here that you can see, kind of. Looks like a little bomb, like a cartoon. Don't fall over, dog. And this is without it. So we have to do a comparison. So we'll do with the ball and then without the ball. Why did I take it out of the ball? I needed the ball for a funnel. Not really concerned about this one. I like it all the time. Yeah, that's exactly what I expected. I think I've done it without the ball in the past. I've seen the King of Random do it. But, yeah. It's an aggressive fuse I put on there. I also need the fuse. So next we have these M150 salutes. I don't know how close I need to be or how far away. So, this is a modified, unmodified. This is filled with my own gunpowder. This has a little firecracker in it. So I'm gonna put the modified one in my pocket. I'm just gonna yeet this thing here and see what happens. Oh, that's not. Aye. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. This is my own firework. I used their tube. They had a bunch of like clay in it that I had to bang out with a pair of scissors so I could get to the firecracker to remove it. This is what's left. I hot glued one of the ends. The other end is kind of hot glued. Not really. I have no idea what this is gonna do. Oh, that was pretty. I didn't even hear it. I just watched it pop and fly away. On to whatever the hell I had planned for the rest of this. I'm not sure anymore. So this is a, well, they call them missiles. I call them rockets. You've seen me use them to blow up pumpkins. Insert clip now. So we know what they're capable of. Well, this one, the wing fell off. Yes, the wing fell off. I didn't remove it, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, so I was curious, what happens if I strap 2 bottle rockets to it? Large bottle rockets. And originally I was going to light this with like either black powder or the blowtorch, but I don't have the blowtorch, and since I don't have the blowtorch, I don't want to use the black powder. So here we are on my makeshift launch pad. Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! I didn't... Oh dear God! That was the most dangerous thing I have done the entire day. It went off like instantaneously. Whew. Well, that was that. Whatever the hell that was. That was terrifying. I'm never doing that again. Never. Not with an old rocket anyways. After that disaster to something tame. This is a donkey ball. An ultra smoke ball. I don't know. I've never seen it before. I don't know what it does. It might blow up. Or it may just do that. A nice change of pace. That was disappointing. That was very short. That was a lot of money, a lot of wasted material for what was effectively a no regular smoke ball. Piss off. On to the next thing. Let's blow up another wiener. I'm gonna level with you kids. This one's just because I'm bored. But I have a wiener here on a stick. I have a bunch of black cats and a string. This is 300 pieces. This is gonna take forever. This is also off-brand. So I'm gonna run like hell. What? Why was that so fast? That was 300. It went up in like 3 seconds. Ow, my ears. My wiener's burnt. Alright, one more stupid experiment with the wiener, then we're gonna sign off. Well, what an interesting video. I don't know what this is gonna boil down to, but it's something. That is a burnt wiener. This is a raw wiener. I've never had a Nathan's hot dog, and the first one I'm having is uncooked. Tastes a bit. Kind of tastes like a beef stick, to be honest. Well, anyways, you probably should not do this. Well, eat the raw hot dog. Any of the other things we did today. It's hot. And I've about, I wouldn't say died, but risked getting maimed too many times today. So I'm done. This is July's video. Probably should just go up on the 4th. It's the 2nd right now. But that's a lot of work. Well, in the meantime, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. New, where the hell this was. Does this count as a chemistry video? I don't know. End of each month. And good night. Lordy, it's hot. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Oh, you're still here? I thought I told you to go home. Oh, you want more? I'm flattered. Check out the playlist. If you want exclusive content, check out my Instagram, Dr_sheep_YouTube. That's all lowercase. If you want to help the earth, subscribe. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to plant 10 trees. If you feel that's too small, then check out my channel chart where I lay out even bigger goals. Finally, stick around for the next 20 seconds to give me that sweet watch time. Bye.